In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage tasks in Notion Calendar using your Notion task database. To get started, open Notion Calendar on your device and make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace. The goal here is to connect your existing Notion task database so you can create and manage tasks directly from the calendar interface, which makes planning much faster and more visual. Once Notion Calendar is open, connect your Notion task database to Notion Calendar. If your database is already connected, you can simply move on. If not, take a moment to link the database you use for task tracking. This connection is what allows your tasks to appear on the calendar and be edited from there, so it's an important first step. Before adding anything new, make sure your task database includes a date property. This is essential because Notion Calendar uses that date field to know where each task should appear. If a task doesn't have a date property, it won't display properly on the calendar. It's also helpful if your database includes other useful properties such as status or time, since those details make scheduling more organized. Next, open the calendar view. Once you're there, navigate to the day where you want your task to appear. This visual layout makes it easier to place tasks exactly where they belong and quickly understand your schedule at a glance. Now add a new task on the correct date. Click on that date in the calendar and create the task from there. Doing it this way helps ensure the date is assigned automatically, which reduces mistakes and saves time. After that, fill in the task name, time, status, and any other details your database uses. Be as clear as possible when naming the task so it's easy to recognize later. Adding the correct time can help with daily planning, and updating the status right away keeps your workflow consistent. If your plans change, you can drag and drop the task to a new date or time. This is one of the most convenient parts of using Notion Calendar because rescheduling only takes a second. Just move the task visually to the new spot and the date updates for you. Finally, check your Notion database to confirm the task was added correctly. Open the database and make sure the task appears with the right date, time, status, and any other relevant details. This final check helps you catch small errors early and ensures everything stays synced between your calendar and your database. That's it. You now know how to add, update, and reschedule tasks in Notion Calendar while keeping your Notion database organized and accurate.